Okay, so this video shows you what to do if you've got these missing icons, these broken pictures in your icons. Now, if you're running the second generation 4K sticks, the second generation 4K Max and the second generation 4K, which came out September, October time in 2023, at the current time of recording this video, there is no known fix for this. But if you're running an older model Fire Stick, the first gen, the second gen, the third gen, the Fire TV, the Fire TV Lite, the 4K Max first generation or the 4K first generation, or even a Fire TV Cube generations 1, 2 or 3, this video should help you. All the details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, if you've turned on your Fire TV stick and you've got these broken pictures here, how do you fix them? Well, like I say, if you've got the newer second gen 4K and 4K Max, then unfortunately, as of October 2023, there doesn't seem to be any known fix for this. This seems to affect side-loaded apps, although a fix is expected, as this type of problem did appear when Fire OS 7 first came out, and it took a little while, but Amazon did actually eventually fix it. But I'm talking about if you've got older generation sticks, so the first gen, the second gen, the Fire TV Lite, the 4K or the 4K Max first generation, or even the Fire TV Cubes 1, 2 and 3. So I've got these, like as you can see here, these broken pictures. These are apps, but I don't know what they are. So the best thing to do is to really go across to the settings cog and then go down to My Fire TV, middle button, and then go down to restart down there, middle button, and then go across to the left to the second restart, middle button. Let your device restart. It might take a few moments. As you can see, mine's now restarting. Hopefully shouldn't be too long, so just give it a few moments. And here we go. The menus are just firing up now. And there you go. As you can see, straight away, my icons have come back. Now, if that's still not fixed it, what's the next thing to do? Well, the next thing would be to do a factory reset. So go across to the settings cog, go down to My Fire TV, middle button, and then go down to reset to factory defaults. Again, press the middle button on the remote control, go across to the left there to reset, and then middle button. Now, I should say this does wipe everything off of your Fire TV stick or your Fire TV Cube. You must be prepared to set it back up from scratch as if it was a new Fire TV stick or Cube. But hopefully that should fix your problem. Hopefully the first method fixed it by restarting. Another method to try would be to just try restarting it a few times. So there you go. I hope you liked this video and I hope it helped. And if it did, have a look down in the description down below. If you're in the market for a new Fire TV stick, a Fire TV Cube, or Fire TV stick or Cube accessories, then we've got some great deals for you. Also, if you're looking to subscribe to a VPN or looking to change VPNs, then again, we've got some VPN deals down in the description for you. Buying and subscribing through these links really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time into researching and bringing you these videos. And also, whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully, whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And please don't forget, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button on this channel and please like this video, as it really does help. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then please don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech and my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thanks for watching.